So hello everybody. So like I mentioned, I'm going to show you a small book that we're going to make, and we are going to name it My Little Book of Ganesha. And every day we are going to draw 2 pictures which are going to be very simple, and we're going to start from basic shapes and then move on to some complicated techniques which are not very complicated. It's just that I'm saying it that way, but you'll be able to do it, I'm sure. Okay, so right now today we are just going to make the book. Okay, so let's start. So I have this paper here, white color, which is 37 by 27 centimeters. You can have a bigger paper, like maybe take a full chart paper and then repeat the same process, okay, so that you get a bigger size of the page. You may take colored paper if you want, but I would prefer white so that we get freedom to color as we want. Okay, so let's start. This is going to be very simple. There is no pasting, there is no sewing, nothing at all for the book. It's very simple. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold the paper in half horizontally. Okay, so I've just folded it in half. Yeah, now I'm going to fold it vertically as well as horizontally. So the first I've done vertically, and now I am going to fold it in half exactly horizontally like this. So I have 2 folds here, as you can see, one vertical and one horizontal. Now I want to take one side and bring it to the center fold and press it. So I have one more vertical fold, and I'm going to repeat the same thing on the other side like this. Okay, great. So now I have one horizontal fold, as you can see, and I have 3 vertical folds. Okay, easy enough. Okay, let's move on. Now I'm going to fold it in half again, and you will be able to see the horizontal line here. I'm just going to mark it in a pencil so that it's visible. So we want only half part of it. I hope this line is visible. Okay, we want only this part. Okay, don't disturb any of the other lines. We are going to cut. We're going to cut on this dotted line. All right, so I'm just going to cut it on the dotted line up to the center mark. Okay, can you see? Now when I open it, it's going to look like this. Can you see? Yeah, so I've just cut the center portion by folding it in half. All right, that's all that we're going to do. Now the next step is a little tricky, so please pay attention. I want you to fold the paper. I want you to fold the paper in such a way that, just one second, I will just adjust my camera a little so that it's easier for you to see. This is going to be visible. I want you to fold the paper like this. Okay, I'm just taking both the edges. If you can see my hand, just taking it inside, and I'm going to move the flap down like this. Okay, so that I have something like this. Okay, a plus sign. I'll show it to you again. This is my cut. I fold it like this, and I just take it down like this so that I have a plus sign, and I'm going to fold it inside so that I have this size book. Okay, so when you open it, you have few pages here like this. Okay, now we have, this is going to be our front page. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5-6 pages. So I want you to make one more of this kind of a book, okay, and keep it ready. So we'll need 2 books so that we'll have at least 12 pages where we can accommodate our 11 Ganpati Bappa drawings. All right, so please make this, keep it ready, and we will start with our drawings tomorrow. Okay, this is going to be our book. Okay, so there you go. All right, make 2 of such small books. Like I said, you can take a bigger paper so that you have bigger page size, or even this size is good enough. It's up to you. All right, so I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you.